Got it, Jack. We'll secure the area first.
Okay, team. The plan is simple. We reinforce this section first.
I've got the bricks ready for the main wall.
Let's get to it. All right, this section needs to be reinforced. Dig another foot down right here, Tom, exactly as the plans specify.
Another brick for the wall! Perfect! Max, how's that mix coming along? Smooth as can be.
All right, Leo. Looks solid. Good work.
Ready to lift? Yep. On 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, boys, push. 1, 2, 3.
There it is, locked in.
Yeah! Great work, team.